Hey guys, I just wanted to put this out there for all riders. This piece right here, TPMS, this thing is crucial. Saved me a few times already. I cannot emphasize enough how important this is. You could get a piece like this. Comes with the sensors on the stem of the tire on both, and it reads the temperature, it reads the PSI. If God forbid you get a puncture or anything, it will give you an alarm immediately, you know, and I think that's very, very important. It helped me twice already, saved my life. So just wanted to put this out. There is another version of this. It's called Fubu, which is through your phone if you don't have space to put this piece. So it's up to you guys. But there are varieties of products out there that you can purchase. I got this from Amazon a while back. They don't have the same model, but you'll find other ones. You can get that Fubu, which is the Bluetooth through your phone. The sensors coming to put on the stem of the tire, and then it'll do the same thing. It will give you an alert if there is anything, God forbid. Alright? Have a good one, guys.